Okay, let's talk about a totally different approach to enterprise software, one focused on SFDP. You know these issues, right? They're real risks. This model is built to solve them, period.
This is a completely different philosophy. It's about pricing based on governance, not just usage.
So think of it less as just a tool and more as a system of record for your whole org.
Okay, so how does this actually work? Well, it all comes down to 4 clear pricing pillars.
And this is where it gets really smart. These 4 parts create a model that's super balanced.
This first fee is the anchor. It covers all the essentials, security, hosting, support.
And you only pay for what you actually need. Just pick the modules that bring your business value.
The user pricing is smart too. It's set up to mirror how your organization is actually structured. And forget unpredictable metered billing. You just pre-agree on a simple usage band. No surprises.
So the pricing is predictable, awesome. But what about your data? That's even more important, right?
This is their foundational promise, and it is non-negotiable. Your data belongs to you, full stop.
And they mean it. Your operational data will never be accessed, shared, sold, or mined, ever.
Basically, your data is isolated, secure, and you have complete control. It's that simple.
So you see how these 2 pieces, pricing and privacy, click together? It's all about building trust. And that's the ultimate goal, right? To be a trusted system of record for your entire organization.
So what's the takeaway? Predictable costs, a model that scales, and absolute privacy, a confident choice. So are you ready to build your operations on a real foundation of trust? This is how it's done.